In this video, I will show you how to use a picture as your iMessage profile photo on iPhone. You can easily create an iMessage profile with a personalized display photo. This way, when you text any stranger, they can easily recognize you. First, open Messages app on your iPhone. Tap More icon, which is three dots with circle at the top right side. From the options, tap Setup Name and Photo. Now tap Edit option and then tap Customize. Choose Contact Photo. On the next screen, tap the camera button to capture a photo. You can even use Photo Library to select the display photo. Now capture your image. Now use Move and Scale to adjust in the frame and then tap Use Photo. Select any photo effects you would like to use and then tap Next. Update your contact poster and tap Done. So that is how you can use a picture as your iMessage profile photo on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.